In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website wireframe in Miro. We'll start by opening Miro and creating a new board. If you're in the browser or using the desktop app, look for the option to start a blank board. Give your board a clear name so it's easy to find later. Once you're inside, take a moment to get comfortable with the space. Zoom in and out with your trackpad or mouse wheel, and press and hold space to pan around. If you like working with structure, turn on the grid from the view controls so you have a subtle guide while placing elements. This clean slate is where your wireframe will come together. Next, let's choose a wireframe template. Click the Templates button, then search for Wireframe or UI. You'll see options designed for websites, complete with placeholders for headers, navigation bars, content blocks, and forms. Pick a template that matches the type of site you're planning, maybe a marketing site, a blog layout, or a simple product page. When you add it to your board, it will drop in as a set of ready-to-edit elements. Position it where you want and remove any pieces you don't need so you're working only with the essentials. Remember, a wireframe is meant to be low fidelity, so keep things simple and focused on layout and flow rather than final design. Now it's time to edit and collaborate. Start shaping the layout by dragging and resizing components. Rename headings, swap out placeholder text, and use gray boxes to represent images or videos. Keep your hierarchy clear, larger for primary elements like the hero and headline, smaller for supporting sections. Use Miro's smart guides to align items neatly and duplicate elements to maintain consistency across sections. If you're mapping multiple pages, group related sections together and use frames to visually separate each page or state. Add quick annotations beside tricky areas to explain intent, such as what a button should do or how a menu should behave. Because it's a wireframe, stick to grayscale and basic shapes so everyone stays focused on structure, not color or typography. When you're ready for feedback, click Share to invite collaborators and choose the appropriate access. Teammates can leave comments right on the board, react to specific components, and follow your cursor during walkthroughs. Encourage concise comments and resolve them as you make updates to keep the board tidy. That's it. Your Miro board now serves as a living blueprint you can iterate on quickly before moving into high-fidelity design.